Hi there, hello guys, hello everyone, this is Chan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the app ProfileMate. So in a nutshell, ProfileMate is totally built for Instagram traffic, Instagram marketing and to get sales from Instagram. So let me show you how this tool works. This is the dashboard of this tool and this is the members area basically, and inside the dashboard the first thing I want to show you, that is the training section. Inside the training section everything is given. You can see here the Chrome extension tool, the webinar number 2, how people are getting results, that is totally shown inside this place, that is totally demonstrated inside this place, inside this video. I have gone through one of those videos, that is this long video. I have gone through this video, and after going through this I have cut the video. Basically I have not watched the entire video, but I have watched some of the parts. Then I came to know that this is a proven method, and after going through this video you can also do so. You can also do same, and just try to pay attention inside my word, that is everything is not for everyone. That is why I am not using this method after knowing that this is a proven method, but I am using the affiliate marketing method to make earn online. But you can choose your own way, that is Instagram marketing, that is Instagram traffic, and you can shine your future. You can earn from online inside future very easily and very unique way by following some unique way. Okay, so this video explain the thing, and I have not gone through the webinar 2 as I have told you already. So webinar 4, 5 everything is given, and this is totally demonstrated. You can also use the downloading feature after just capturing all of the stuffs like the leads. You can download them, that is also shown inside this place. So inside home you can see here install ProfileMate. So you have to have Chrome to use this tool, and these days who doesn't have Chrome? That is a big question. Okay, so I think everyone has Chrome browser, and inside Chrome browser you can use this tool, and this is a totally automatic tool, and inside this tool you can capture the leads, you can capture emails, and you can do Instagram marketing. So that is the tool. There is nothing much to show you inside the front end. Basically I have shown you only the tip of the iceberg, because I have not installed the extension and I don't want to do so, because this is a very easy method and I don't want to waste your time. After going through the training you can easily do so. Okay, that is why I am not showing you that installing the Chrome extension, then explaining all of the stuffs like the hashtags, like the Instagram followers, how you can grow that is also given inside this tool. So you can also download, everything is downloadable. After gathering the informations you can easily download them, that is easily downloadable. You can see here select fields to download. So inside here after just putting the tick mark in each of them or all of them, you can download them, and inside Excel sheet you can paste them, or inside CSV file you can open that stuffs. And you can see here everything is given here, from the total points total posts, or the email ID is the main feature. I think email ID is the main feature, and by targeting email ID there are pre-made email swipes for each and every product. You can target any of them with those email swipes. This is Diwali happening inside India, so there is firecracking is happening outside, so try to bear the noise. Okay, so this tool will cost you $47, and you can also check out the upsells, as this is a very good tool. So my bonuses are also available with this tool. You can see here this is the ProfileMate. What is my word about this tool, and $67 for OTO 1, for OTO 2 $47, and my mega bonus is waiting for you, and OTO 3. You can click any of the buttons to just check out this sales page, and from this sales page get the tool, get at the cheapest price, and just enjoy the traffic and get sales. So these are the bonuses I want to show you. So bonuses are coming from all of the you can see here Profit Mailer, also the Zevizu, the Animes, the Warrior Plus Expert. So from all of the fields I have tried to give you the bonuses, so all bonuses will be delivered to you. There are also some vendor bonuses that comes by default with this product, that comes automatically with this product from the vendor, from the owner, and also my bonuses are coming automatically with this product. But you have to go through this website to check out the tool, to purchase the tool basically, and inside upsell the mega bonuses will be waiting for you. So that is all I want to say, this is me, Chayan Sarkar. Happy Diwali, and giving you a thank you, a very big thank you that you have watched my video. So that is a very big thing for me. So have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye again.